was a new skill based subject, and starting we were like having some issues. We were thinking how to go about it, how to convince parents. So but we started, and thanks to my whole team that they took the initiative. Yes ma'am, we'll do it. And they did the like beforehand they used to read the book and prepare like how to go about it. And
Everything is going good, and even students are taking interest in.
Would have been taught these things at such a young age, probably we had a very good idea and very sharp mind towards saving goal and how to manage our finances.
It's not for like a teaching or class for me. It's full of means sharing and bonding, communicating, and knowing their ideas.
They're starting from the basic, whichever worksheet is there. The starting chapters are like if our topic is there in starting, they're like, okay, yes, how we know all the things. Then next to that, they come to know something new. So they are taking interest in the work, solving the worksheets and whatever.
They are very interested. They wait for the period that when ma'am will come and she'll start teaching us financial literacy. They got to know the concept of need and want.
What was your first reaction when you saw कि financial literacy पढ़ाना है? So it was like,
I'm already a maths teacher. I was like, yes, they should. Students should get education about these things also from starting only, because as you said that they know that they have to save money, but they don't know the way and actually what to be done.
I had a really great experience, but the first thing which came in my mind when I got the book in my hand, that how I will teach financial literacy to such small kid, grade 1. Once I went through the book, I read the concept, I was so happy to see the book. And you won't believe, my children take most interest in the financial literacy period because it is something they are seeing in everyday life.
So rather than teaching computer, I enjoyed teaching financial literacy to the students because it is more of a thing that we do on a daily basis. So it is not something that you need very high education or something about it. So I was able to connect to the students with my daily life example and what we have struggled in our life. And
I asked them to fix their financial goal also. It was in the chapter.
Yeah.
So they took a sticky note and just they put on the board. They wrote it and the time also that they will take to get that thing. Then they will
I have many of kids of my class, they have purchased piggy bank and they're saving money. They'll come to me and tell, ma'am, I have saved 100 rupees. Ma'am, I have saved 200 rupees. That's an achievement for me as a teacher. We know this investment is there. So investment we were knowing, but that term you have used in that bullion is the investment in gold, and this was very new to me as well. And the children were also, girls are, oh ma'am, we wear this earrings. This is investment. Yes, gold is a kind of investment we are doing.
Is like आप जब करिकुलम करा रहे थे, ये सब करा रहे थे, सो वो रुचिशा मैम से भी पूछा, अदिति मैम से भी पूछा, आपको लगा बस हो गया आप फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी? You know, these children, they are like full of energy. वो कोई moment if you want to share, moment in the year.
Ma'am, I was teaching them about saving money. So they come up with so many examples and I was like, now please keep quiet, let me speak. I know you all know this thing better than me probably. Now please keep calm and let me speak so that I can finish my thing. Because
ma'am, most of the class they have most energy in financial literacy because they are limitless. In financial literacy, they don't have any limit. So they are so energetic. They have so many ideas to share. That the same thing I share with Aditi ma'am, that we have to calm down. Beta, please calm down. Let us also talk. They realize that till this age, grade 1 to 2, what is money for them? It's just once they get the money, they'll run to the shop and buy something. But now they know that saving is also important part of the money. So it's not just a book, it's learning, it's real world learning. So they enjoy it, they go and they tell to the parents that this we have learned today. Ma'am has told me that what is a fake money, what is a real money. So this is also kind of means they can't be cheated in the market at this small age also. So parents are also very happy with this.